Hey guys, welcome back. Today in my Southern Illinois kitchen, we are making chicken Alfredo pizza with bacon and red onion. Oh man, it's gonna be so good. Let's get started. In we go. Before we get started, gotta introduce another one of our formerly homeless cats. This is Hatch Cat. We found her on the side of the road in the middle of winter. We opened the car door. She jumped in. She came home. She's just a wonderful, wonderful cat. Hi, Hatch. He's a good baby.
Choppy, 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 choppy.
I'm gonna cut it in half because it's so thick.
Thick
and
It's a thickened chicken.
rich and delicious. Chicken.
Are you recording? You are.
I am. But if you're not in it to banter with me, I'll just do a voiceover.
That's fine.
Boring. Boring.
Do the little chicken into pieces.
We're Cuban the chicken, but not Cuban chicken.
Nope.
Cubing.
Cubine.
Work on your enunciation.
Cubed.
One of the videos I watched about how to make a better YouTube video were like, work on your enunciation. I was like, enunciate? How else to enunciate?
Right?
Enunciation.
We're from Southern Illinois.
No shit. We're from Southern Illinois. You're lucky if you can understand anything that comes out of our mouths. And we speak so quickly. Who cares? Yep. Oh. Trim it up. Trim up that chicken. Mm-hmm. Why do I have my fingers sticking out like I've never chopped something before? Don't know. It's good luck. Like I said before, we're professionals. I've learned that you can know how to cook and have no idea what you're doing. Yep. Okay.
Chop up the bacon.
Time to cut up some bacon. You know, bacon. That's a mess.
Choppy, choppy, bakey, bakey. Yeah, pork and chicken in this recipe.
Mm-hmm. You're getting fancy.
Fancy. Expensive.
Yeah, it is. I had them in the freezer those things. Didn't cost me anything. Perfection.
It's a purple. Purple.
It's red onion bacon.
Huh?
Red.
No, purple.
It's not a red onion.
No, it's purple. Oh yeah, that's what you call it. I'm calling it purple.
Yeah.
Just put it in the car.
Girl.
Cole, is this called a red onion or a purple?
Yeah, Jimmy's fishing at me, guys. Is it a red onion or do you call it a purple onion? Tell you what, if you go to Walmart looking for a purple onion,
Huh?
they'll laugh at you.
Like going to find blinker fluid?
The blinker foot. That's funny.
Are you recording your making your squidgy noises?
It's happy dough.
Happy dough.
Happy dough. It's sticky. All right, let's make a pizza. Let's make pizza.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Ooh. We're supposed to press the dough out.
Dodo.
Work the dough out. Work it out.
Work it out, working 9 to 5.
It's the thin and crispy dough. So it's supposed to be thin and crispy. Which is the only kind of dough with you. Why would anybody have a thick crust pizza? Why? Hi, baby. Hi, honey. Hi, sweetie. Your baby. Meow.
No, don't get up there, boo. It's hot.
Careful. Careful, little baby.
Oh, you're recording again. I never know you're recording.
I never quit.
Oh,
I've got all of your little jokes.
Oh, shit. Can't use them. I don't give them permission.
Don't give me permission. I give you no. Hey, you walk in that door, you sign away your rights.
You're going to need more cheese than that.
Oh, it goes on top too.
Oh.
Calm down. It's all right. Not thin. Again, good reason. No, more cheese.
You should put no. Jamie commented, "You need more cheese than that," and I'm sure to move it out.
I can put the audio in whenever I feel like it. Just raise up the volume. Peanut Gallery says, "More cheese.
More cheese. Cheese is good.
Bacon's better."
I don't know. That's a tough call. Cheese or bacon? Which one would I could live the rest of my life without?
Neither. Why would you want to live in such a society? It's not normal.
Oh, that's gonna be a good pizza.
Yeah, it's gonna be tasty.
Oh, she's kind of again.
Who, the cat?
You. That's what James talking about. Give me that.
It's so heavy you're not going to be able to eat it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, yeah. Miss
There you go. In we go. Okay. Oh, yeah.
That looks good. That looks really good.
We're going to let it cool off.
Sure.
Cut it up. Plate it up.
Yeah.
Eat it up.